I don't want stress, no drama. I don't want fight, no wahala. Nobody should stress me at all. If it's drama, then I don't get involved. I don't want stress, no drama.
Bills.
I don't want fight, no wahala.
Come on to it.
Hey guys, it's Serena. And for today's video, I'm going to be filming this really pretty yellow spring makeup look using the Daisy Marquez X BH Cosmetics palette, y'all. This palette is so good, you guys. So pigmented, and that's on period. But yeah, y'all, this look is super simple and easy. I literally just used one eyeshadow to get this look done, and it looks so pretty, so blended out. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and that it takes no time, literally. Before you guys finish watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, of course, and click that bell notification button to be notified every time your girl posts a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They'll be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. And you can't forget Instagram. I mean, like, you just can't. If you guys want to see how I got this really pretty yellow spring makeup look and this dewy skin, then just continue to watch. Alright, you guys, so starting off with the one I already done, I'm going to be moving on to the next. My brows are already filled. I'm just going to take the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden. It's this really palish color. I'm just going to put it all over my lid to prime. And I'm hopping into the BH Cosmetics X Daisy Marquez palette and taking that yellow shade called Flower on a fluffy blending brush. And literally, you guys, the only shade I'm using for my eyeshadow, I'm just going to be patting it in the center of my lid as I usually do and blending out the edges. It's super duper easy. Anyone can do this. It's a super simple tutorial. But yeah, just taking that shade and blending it out for like a yellow smoky eye kind of look. So yeah, just do that with the shade. Now we're literally onto the face already. We'll hop back into the eyes later, but I'm just taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and putting that on. I already primed my face for this tutorial beforehand already before I started my makeup, so all the products will be listed down below that I used. Now choosing from all my damn concealers, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Concealer and just putting that underneath my eyes, and everywhere else I just want to highlight my face. Then I'm going to be setting that after I blend it with the Honey setting powder from Fenty Beauty. Then to brighten a little bit more, I'm taking the Dermablend Original Setting Powder and putting that in the places I just want to bake a little bit more and be a little bit brighter. Now I'm just wiping away that bake. Now to bronze up my face, I'm taking the Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. Y'all know the drill. This is my favorite bronzer of all time. Just going to be bronzing up my face and then also contouring my nose. Then to blush my face, I'm taking the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place. I'm just going to be taking that Tau shade, I believe it's called, and just putting that all over my cheeks and my nose just to have a flush of color on my face. Then going back into that Fenty Honey setting powder and just cutting my contour, so my blush, my bronzer, making sure it's nice and sharp, and then also the sides of my nose contour. Then after I wipe away that bake, I'm just going to spray my face with some Mario spray and then go in with my beauty blender just so my skin looks a little bit more dewy and more skin-like, and just pat it all over. Now I'm going back to the lower lash line, doing the same thing I did on the top of my lid, just taking that same flower yellow shade from Daisy's palette and just putting it underneath, nothing too serious, just smoking it out. Then I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter and trophy wipe, and I'm going to be taking that in the inner corners of my eyes. You guys, this shade is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. It's a super pretty gold, so I'm just going to be putting that in my inner corners. Then off camera, I put on my lashes. I use the Dodo lashes in the style D115. I have a code. It will be down below if you guys want to use it. Then I'm just taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter. This one is in the shade So Hollywood, you guys. Super pretty, so I'm just going to be highlighting everywhere as usual. And to top it off a little bit, I'm taking that same trophy wipe highlighter and just putting a little bit on top for a little bit of extra gleam and shimmer. Oh, now for lips, I'm taking my favorite lip liner from NYX. This is the color Brown. I'm just going to be lining my lips. Then to fill them in, I'm going to be taking my Dose of Colors and a Desi and Katie collab lipstick. This is in the shade More Creamer, Please. Then I'm just going to be taking some regular clear lip gloss, just from the brand MAC. Any clear lip gloss will work. I'm just going to be putting that all over. Then to finish it off, I'm taking the Jouer lip topper in the shade Skinny Dip and putting that in the center for a nice shimmer. Then I'm just going to set my face with the All Nighter Spray by Urban Decay, and the look is complete, sis.
I don't want stress, no drama. I don't want fight, no wahala. Nobody should stress me at all. If it's drama, then I don't get involved.
I feel like I'm about to go on vacation, you know, but I'm not. Alright, you guys, this is the end of my glowy spring yellow makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've been getting a lot of requests for like spring looks and like just outdoor looks, glowy looks, so I came through for y'all, sis. Spring, summer, whatever season is here, so let's just embrace it. Period. Yeah, this is the look I came up with. I absolutely love it. It took literally no time at all, so I hope you guys recreate it, and if you do, tag me in your look so I can give it a like. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that bell notification button so you guys are notified every time I post a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They will be linked down below in the down bar as well as the end card of this video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys!